Hey, welcome to my letter, Sesame Street. Big Bird Sings. Our play story chapters. Big Bird's scrapbook. I chose the door for. This is Susan. What's your name? Who? Big Bird's song. Rhyme out. Big Bird doesn't fly. What a gift. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Where's all my feet? Map song. Sing. Put it on the Sesame Street DVDs. Happy Monster. See you, Silly. Celebration of Me Grover. Amazon's District 11. What's the name of that song? Amazon's Magical Book. Subway's Final Word. Fiesta. Learn about letters. Learn about numbers. Imagine that. Sing along. Sesame sings karaoke. Three bears and your baby. Sorry, dance moves. Emma visits the firehouse. Emma's word. Fairies meet at bedtime. Emma's word. Emma has two hands, each feet. Emma's word. The great outdoors. Emma's word. Hit to ammo. Emma's word. Wake up ammo. Speed. Emma's word. Speed to fun. Emma's word. Wild Wild West. Emma's word. British Skis and more. And they say to please subscribe.